Hello, the Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub. And in this video, we're gonna analyze the gold market for next week. And there is a breaking US and Israel has launched a operation called Major Combat in Tehran. Okay, so as per I said before, if there is any unstable situation or instability in around the world, it can be major Middle East, it can be Russia or Ukraine. That means gold is going to fly. That means if there is any uncertainty or geopolitical issues or where around the world or surrounds the world, gold will go up. And US and Israel is already attacked on Iran. Okay, so that means there is a big boost for the gold, and we may see 6,000 plus momentum on gold or 5,500 minimum. Okay, momentum on gold in next week, and maybe we're going to see a big gap when the market open. Okay, so we have to wait for the proper or exact news. I just got the news that US and Israel attacked on Iran, and there is more news to come. Number one is US job report. Okay, that means NFP in upcoming week, that means March 6th. Okay, and number two is ADP jobs. Okay, ADP jobs, we have to keep our concern on that, and that are from economic calendar. Okay, calendar, that are from calendar, so you have to keep your concern on that. You have to keep your concern on forexfactory.com. Okay, and we have number three, PMI news. Okay, mid of the week PMI news, and we have inflation pressure. Okay, and there is one more thing out of the calendar, that is Donald Trump says US Supreme Court's decision about US Supreme Court decision. That means US Supreme Court just announced in last week that Donald Trump's tariff was illegal. So Donald Trump said that, or Donald Trump expects that he will update a new tariff that court can't catch him. Okay, so there is more coming, and from the previous years we may see that red card are coming from mid of the year. Okay, so we have to keep our concern on that thing also. So let's get back into technical analysis, and we have to take a look into technical side. And as you can see there is a big bearish momentum on gold, and it just taking a pullback. That means gold just taking correction from there, and there is a trend line, and it almost takes its level. And if I want to start from weekly time frame, as you can see there, weekly is strong bullish momentum already. That means market is going to move bullish in next week, or ready to move next week, until there is nothing much happen in fundamentally. But in fundamentally we have seen, we already got the news of where, so market is going to move more bullish. I am expecting minimum 5,500 plus. Okay, and there is, I hope that will go 6,000 plus in upcoming week. And if I want to get back into daily time frame, and as you can see there, if I want to draw possible support and resistance in daily time frame, let me make that. Okay, if I want to draw that there, we have connection from, we have connection from here, we have connection from here, we have connection here and here. That means there is 4 times gold touch this resistance area, so we may consider that area as a resistance area. In daily time frame, we can take a resistance area over there. So our support area is that particular area, and resistance area is that particular area. So we have to think around this particular area. Okay, so we can take, or we can exit entry from this particular area. So if I want to get back in H4, you may see the proper, or you must see the good condition of the chart, or you must see the proper support and resistance area from the chart. Okay, so if I want to draw a trend line zone over there, as you can see there, we may draw as that. Okay, if I want to make that perfect. Okay, seems perfect now. And what you can see, that particular area, as you can see there, we have this support area. there's 1 2 3 4 5 time just touched there and trying to go up, and there is a breakout for the support area, and we have a pullback, then it just continues to rise up, and our next target is 5510. We have confirmation from technical side, we have confirmation from fundamental side. Okay, from technical side there is a chart or there is a confirmation, and from fundamental chart or fundamental part we got US and Iran where, okay, we got US and Iran where that is the major issue that spikes gold up. Okay, so you have to consider that, and I hope that will make a strong bullish momentum on upcoming weeks. And if I want to talk about tools, I like to introduce Fibonacci retracement area, or I would like to show you Fibonacci retracement area. So as you can see there, our 61.8 zone is over there. Okay, so we can consider a buy entry from there to their minimum, and our Fibonacci just confirm that it will touch 5608, or our next target will be 5600, but we can take 5500. Okay, and our that only for long-term trader. Okay, so if you want to scalp, you can consider that particular area, you can consider only buy in that particular zone, then our support area is there, resistance area is there. Okay, then you can take entry over that zone or over that particular area. Okay, let's get back for each one time frame. As you can see there, for each one time frame we can see, let me remove all of previous data to make the chart clean. Okay, and for each one time frame we can see there is a breakout, okay, to go buy. Okay, and there is no pullback or nothing because that was the news time, so we confirm that just go buy because of the news momentum or because of the news movement. Okay, and there is another, you must see the pattern before, there is bullish triangle flag pattern. Okay, and this is the scenario for now. And if I want to go for scalping entry, that means if I want to go for M15 time frame, same thing here. So there is also a breakout but no confirmation due to the news. Yesterday's US news was started from there, that's why it just fly away from there. So we got a bullish confirmation from the news and we took buy entry in our BP channel, it just go up. Okay, I hope all things is clear now about technical and fundamentally. If there is any more update comes into Forex Factory or I got from YouTube or news websites, I will update as soon as possible. Maybe tomorrow there will be another video coming due to fundamental reason, but till then that analysis is enough to trade. Okay, we got major news, US and Iran attack, US and Iran where, so you can trade based on the news. So better you can connect with our Telegram channel, a public Telegram channel. There we are updating each and every momentum or each and every moment, each and every time. So I hope all things is clear now. If you have any more query or question about our today's analysis, you may comment there or make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel. So that's for now, Mr. Boom signing out.